Today on Destination Bacon, we have bacon wrapped chicken.
We're going to make bacon wrapped chicken, and we're stuffing it with sun-dried tomatoes and Boursin cheese. It's got garlic and herbs, and also we'll be adding some spinach. So stay tuned.
So for this dish, you're going to want to fry your bacon just a little bit, not so it gets crispy, but just so that when you wrap the chicken and put it into the oven, it is a little bit cooked and not completely raw. That will help the cooking process in the oven. You want to put your chicken breasts in some saran wrap and then flatten it out with a rolling pin. Just make it as thin as you can, and do that to all of your chicken breasts. Okay, so you can see it's not cooked all the way, but it's starting to crisp up just a little bit. I still want the bacon to be pliable so I can wrap it around the chicken, but I just don't want it to be completely raw. So now I'm going to transfer it over and let the grease drain off of it a little bit, as well as cool down. Now reserve some of your bacon drippings because you are going to put your spinach, to wilt your spinach, and add your chopped minced garlic in there as well. All right, so I've added my spinach to the bacon fat and my minced garlic, and I'm just going to let the heat do its thing. You want it to be on low heat. We just want to wilt the spinach and let the garlic do its thing. Get its nice aroma in with that spinach. And then we will be stuffing this into the chicken. Alrighty, so now you're going to take your Boursin cheese and spread it all over that chicken breast. Then you're going to want to add your wilted spinach with the garlic. And of course, some sun-dried tomatoes. Then you're going to roll it up and wrap your chicken with your bacon. You will want to secure it with a toothpick and then put your chicken breasts in a greased baking dish and bake for about 30 minutes at 375. Okay. Once you have all of your chicken stuffed and wrapped, it goes into the oven. The last 5 minutes, you're going to want to put it on broil just to get that bacon crispy. Right, there it is. And then we're going to want to put it on our platter and serve it maybe with some fresh vegetables or potatoes, whatever you prefer. Cheese is oozing out a little bit. It smells wonderful. There you have it. We have bacon wrapped chicken that is stuffed with garlic and spinach and Boursin garlic herb cheese and sun-dried tomatoes. And we're gonna try it now. Here we go. really good. Wow, the spinach is great. The cheese, the garlic herb cheese, has a nice flavor to it. And the bacon from putting it on the broiler made it nice and crispy. So it's really a great dish. I'm having it with some mixed vegetables, but you can have it with whatever you like. Thanks for watching Destination Bacon. Stay tuned next week to see what I'll make.